in Buffalo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Jefferson County in central New York until 7:30 p.m. At 6:30 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Mere Hamlin to 11 miles northwest of Wellesley Island State Park, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fort Drum, Clayton, Herrings, Redwood, Greenpoint State Park, Wellesley Island State Park, Cedar Point State Park, Black River, Philadelphia, and Alexandria Bay. This includes Interstate 81 between exits 48 and 52. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.